Hi, welcome. This is Gail. I know it's been a long time. I've had a lot going on with some health issues. Nothing major. Just had double cataract surgery and getting ready to go in for knee replacement on Wednesday. So that's why you haven't seen as much of me. That and the fact that I've been thinking about there are so many people out there on YouTube right now, so many people making journals, and I just felt like I wasn't doing anything unique enough to stand out from the pack and make people want to come to my channel. And also, I think that I'm not trying to sell anything, and a lot of people do their YouTube videos to entice people to purchase their journals and their wonderful creations, which is great. But I'm not really trying to do that. So I've been rethinking when and why I want to make journals too. So I think just from time to time I'll come on to share with you some projects that I've made or something that I think you might find of interest. This is not the box, mind you, but the tags are from a wonderful digital artist, and she does all sorts of art, but she created this tag kit. It is Cara Brandon Creations, and I'll link her below. Anyhow, I just finished her November challenge with the Christmas tags, and I thought I'd just show you real quickly in case you might have interest in it. I am currently working on the Tracy Fox December Dailies and also Defemember by Louisa Heinzel and 49 Dragonflies, Barbara. So that is a lot of fun. So let me just show you real quickly and then I'll move on. So, won't spend a lot of time explaining, if that's okay with you. So, let's just grab a handful. This was day 1, and we created a little envelope, little coin envelope, and cute little tag. Another little tag. And yeah, so this goes inside here like so, and then back in the coin envelope. They were easy makes and fun makes. I'll mess with that later. Here's number 2. Library pocket style, little wish list. She gave backgrounds to put on things, which made it really easy when you printed and had your background ready to go. Okay, day 3. Another cutesy little coin type envelope. And inside, cute little tag. And that's one of her backgrounds there. So, day 3 out of the way. Day 4, I tried to put the number on it. These numbers are from, I want to say Calico Collage, but Cara gives you some numbers too, which I also used. So little file folder here. You could clip it shut if you wanted. Really liked this one a lot. Maybe because it was a different color. Little trifold here going on. And I did use some of my own ephemera. My goal has been to use up things. That's a little shaker snowman. use up things that I had. These were, of course, also things I'm trying to use up. Been trying to use up rub-ons, because after a while they just don't cut it, you know. And some digitals that I had printed. This is a rub-on, that Season's Greeting. A digital I printed out from somewhere. Okay, so onward and upward, day 6 now. Cute, cute. And again, just using up what I have. Another rub-on. And back here, another little rub-on, but cute little pocket. Day 7. I added some little bells. So pull out. This was something from another kit that I had purchased. Pardon my hands and fingers. My nails are not looking the greatest right now. And some cute little ephemera. So there we have that one. Day 8, then I'm guessing. Just a cute little tag. Day 9, really liked this little window envelope with the tag in it. And boom. So there's your tag. Pulls out. This actually isn't some of her background paper. I feel like that's a Tracy Fox Christmas background paper from a long time ago. But anyhow, there's that one. This one, my printer was running out of ink. This one and the next one. So her quality is beautiful. It's just on that I wasn't going to reprint it. This is some coffee dyed paper on the back. And again, you can see the difference in the printing. This is where it started to run out. So day 10. Day 11, again, the printing on this one, not great. Little tag, the printing, not super fantastic because of my printer ink. And this, I believe, is day 12. Cute little bingo card. I added some, that's a sticker that I had. Yep, day 12. And these are the number tags that came with her kit. So yeah, 13. These my daughter gave me in something she had, so I thought use them, put them on there. Really kind of went with a candy cane background paper. And these two are from, I don't know where he came from, but the 13, I'm pretty sure that's Calico Collage. Loved this one. This was a really cute little booklet. I layered some fabric, got some bells, some cute ribbon, another rub-on. I put this on. This is a pocket. It's fabric. These were just some leftover papers that I used my deckled edge cutter on. I haven't used that as much as I thought I would, but I am liking it now. I don't think, oh yes I did. I did just minimal stuff in here. I added a cloth belly band there. Let's see what else. Oh, another belly band with the buttons on it there. And I think, yeah, the bells here where I tied it in the center. Oh, that's a flip out page. That's why it feels funny. I had 2 flip out pages because I had some longer pieces. And I thought, don't cut them off. This pretty glittery Believe. Oh yeah, and another little button belly band. So, and another pocket at the back. But I think that's going to be really useful. And that was day 14. Here's 15. Cutesy little coffee pocket. And again, that's some of her background paper there. She gives you some little tiny tags and journal cards as well to use with if you need or want. Another little coin envelope for day 16. Cutesy. Oops, what did I do there? Yeah, just jammed it in, Gail. Okay, but anyhow, so day 16. These were super easy to do and fun, and I'm not going to put that back in right now. Now, this big tree on the front, and I think I put one somewhere else. There's day 17. Those I added from my stash. This is tissue paper, believe it or not, that I got. It's more like a treat paper or a deli paper that's printed, and that I got at TJ Maxx, believe it or not. They had some really cute things there. Okay, added some little baubles. Here's some dangles. You got that cute little tag, which I backed with some tissue of mine. This is day 18, another, again, backed with that. And these are just some ribbons and cloth that I had. And they're all backed with Christmas tree paper. This one I didn't get real creative with. Just layered some things for day 19, because sometimes you just need a tag like that. And believe it or not, this I think you could write over really easily too. Shaker tag, woohoo! Got some goodies in there, which don't, well, they're moved, but they're not moving a lot right now. There are all kinds of little Christmas thingies in there. And so I'm not sure why I have this open, because it's not a movable tag. So, hey, guess I could glue that right down, couldn't I? Day 20. Day 21, cutesy little flip pocket folder, Santa. And I just used some of my, these were from Stash, as were these. I think he's from Stash. No, I think that's one of Cara's. And, yeah, this is Stash. But she gives you such a variety. In day 21, and this is one of my Stash. And I will say, too, that I chose not to sew on these. I could have. My sewing machine was giving me some fits, and so I just didn't do it. Okay, day 22. Cute little, oopsie. There we go. Envelope. It looks like I got something going on in the corner on that one. Jeepers. Okay, this one I did the tucking in a little different. Little variety, never hurt anybody. 23, I really liked doing this one. Focused on the outdoors. There were reindeer on the background. And these adorable tags I got at TJ Maxx as well. Are they not precious? Cutesy fox. They're just, you know, your little gift tags, but so cute. think this is the giraffe here. Yep, there's our giraffe. And then finally we get to the deer. So I thought those were really sweet and I had to use those. So I thought that might work. And day 23. Day 24 is another shaker. These don't, I must have put too much in there because they don't like to move. Well, they do, but they don't, they move all together instead of a few at a time like I wanted. But anyhow, you get the idea. It's a shaker card. Let me shake them down a little bit. Yeah, see, you can see there's all kinds of them in there. And then our little elves. I just thought those were cute. Last one. Christmas morning, joy. These were stash items. Another window envelope. That was stash. And then the tag. But yeah, and you can journal on that for sure. So, day 25, she also went on to show how she made a cute little tag book and a snippet roll and doing all kinds of things. So, if you are interested, check it out. The kit was very inexpensive, very fun, so check it out. And I will thank you for watching, and I apologize for not being around so much, but hopefully you will see me a little more frequently as I finish up some projects and play some more. So, take it easy until next time. Get out there, make some time to have some fun, make some art, be creative, and take care. Bye-bye.